Welcome to Green Candle. China currently has a chokehold on the rare earth magnets that power everything from next-gen AI to our defense systems. That is a massive single point of failure. Today, we're breaking down the only scaled American solution to this crisis: MP materials. We'll show you how their America First pivot, backed by a massive DoD moat, creates the ultimate geopolitical investment play. Let's dive in. While the rest of the market is obsessed with lines of code in Silicon Valley, we're focused on the lines in the sand being drawn in the Gobi Desert. If Beijing decides to weaponize the dirt that makes modern tech possible, the entire Western supply chain collapses overnight. Today, we're looking at America's only insurance policy against that nightmare: MP materials, ticker MP. Disclaimer: not financial advice, do your own homework. Here's the macro nightmare scenario. That big red blob is China, controlling over 90% of magnet processing. Meanwhile, AI demand for these magnets is ripping 25% a year. We have a single communist point of failure for everything from your Tesla to the Tomahawk missile. Sleep tight. So, what's the fix? It's right here in the California desert. Mountain Pass, the highest grade rare earth asset in the free world. Uncle Sam has a mandate: 20% domestic supply by 2027. MP isn't just a player, they are the only player on the board with the scale to matter. And listen, MP isn't just digging holes and selling rocks to Beijing anymore. They've gone full vertical. They extract the ore in California, refine it on site, and turn it into finished, high-performance magnets at their new facility in Texas. From mine to Model 3, without ever crossing the Pacific. That's the moat. Now, the headlines panicked because Q3 revenue dropped 15%. We cheered. Why? Because they stopped selling cheap concentrate to China to hoard it for their high-margin U.S. magnet business. Production actually hit a record. This isn't a dying company. It's a massive coiled spring loading up. Here's the ultimate cheat code. Commodity stocks usually suck because prices crash, but MP has a sugar daddy: the Pentagon. The DoD handed them $400 million and, crucially, a price floor guarantee of $110 per kilo. China can crash the market all they want. Uncle Sam ensures MP stays profitable. It's subsidized national security. 2026 is when this rocket ignites. Late February, Q4 earnings show the profitability inflection from that DoD price floor, then a capital-light Saudi JV for global reach. By mid-year, they start printing high-margin money with heavy rare earths for defense contracts. The de-risking event is happening right now. The bears are lazy. They say, "Oh no, China will just flood the market and crash prices again," to which we say, who cares? The DoD price floor makes the spot price irrelevant for a huge chunk of their revenue. The bear case got regulated out of existence by the U.S. war machine. Let's do the math. You're telling me I can buy a government-backed high-growth monopoly at the exact moment it turns profitable. And I can get it for 15x EBITDA when inferior peers trade at 20x? That's not investing. That's geopolitical arbitrage. We take those trades every day. The chart confirms the thesis. After a massive 40% ripper off the lows, it's digesting gains in a textbook bull flag. The institutional buy zone is rock solid between $56 and $59. We are coiled tight below resistance at 62s. When that level breaks, it's blue sky time. For the equity players, here's the playbook. This stock bucks like a bronco, so use that volatility. Don't chase green candles. Set limit orders in the $56 to $59 buy zone. Then sit on your hands for 12 to 18 months as they march toward our $75 to $80 price target. Options degens, listen up. Do not buy naked calls into this earnings print. The IV crush will wreck you even if you're right. Be smart. Run a March bull call spread. Buy the $60 in the money, sell the $75 against it. Let someone else pay for the volatility while you lock in a defined risk bet on the breakout. Smash like, subscribe to Green Candle. Class dismissed.